3, 2, 1.
Boom.
Hello, Vinay.
Hey, Derek. How are you, man?
I'm good.
Such a great day today, so we thought we'd get out in the yard and do some barbecuing. And today we're going to do,
A Portobello Mushroom Burger.
and we're going to be using a brand new recipe with our Bombay Spice mix that we're going to tell you about right now. So let's get into it.
This is how we made the marinade. We used our Bombay Spice mix with olive oil, rosemary, garlic, salt, and pepper. We did it by eye. We didn't measure it at all. We did it by taste, and we'll see how it goes.
Boom, boom. So we got the grill going just under 400 degrees. We've just thrown on the mushrooms.
And oh my gosh, if you could just smell the aroma of the seasoning and the marinade we put on there, holy smokes.
Fantastic.
It smells so good.
By the way, we want to give a special thanks to a few people who recently purchased and gave us some fantastic reviews on our Etsy site. Thank you, Kim, Isha, Manish, Shri, Kit, Monica, Tom, Dawn, and Survi. Happy cooking. Time to flip it.
And if you want to, you could add some more marinade on the top while it's still cooking.
All right, and there you have the finished product. We topped it off with some sriracha mayo, onions, tomatoes, and spinach. And boy, that looks delicious. Let's do it.
All right, I've never had this before.
All right, man. Go for it. Tell me what you think.
Wow.
Wow.
Dude, this is good. If you like mushrooms, oh my gosh. So, with the Bombay Spice mix seasoning, you have that little bit of Indian flavor kick. And then on top of that, with the garlic and rosemary, oh my gosh, it's so good.
Holy smokes, that's great. I'm not joking.
Yeah.
Far out. Well, we wolfed those burgers down, didn't we?
Oh my gosh, they were delicious.
That was a success. Thanks for spending time with us this January afternoon in the sun. Feel free to send us your recipes in the comments. If we use it in one of our videos, we'll send you something special. I'm Vinay.
I'm Derek.
We are two bald guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh man, it's such a beautiful day.
What do you think of my porn star glasses?
Oh. I was thinking a little Tom Cruise, but okay, baby.